guys. I'm back, and this video should be kind of short, but I'm really excited about something and I feel like I could not be excited about it and keep it to myself. So this is gonna sort of be an unboxing. Okay, full transparency, I already opened it, so I know it's in it, but I want to share what's in it with you. So as some of you may know, I work with the company Knappy Hair. That's Knappy with a K. They are a textured hair extension brand with hair extensions, wigs, units, whatever, for black girl hair, like, you know, textured hair. Everything I've gotten from them I loved. It's amazing quality. You can color it, brush it. I colored mine, blow dried it, all kinds of stuff, and it is still in tip-top shape, and I still be wearing it. I didn't put it on for this video because it's gonna be a minute before I really am ready to do weave again for a second, and I was just like, I'm not about to wait a month before I tell y'all about this because it's happening now. In this box, I'm like a psycho, I have something amazing and I want to share it with you. So here we go. Ooh. This is the Knappy Hair Texture Match Kit, okay? If you've ever shopped for clip-ins or anything that you will need to blend with your real hair, you know that the struggle is real when it comes to matching your hair texture. There's so many different hair textures you can even have, and sometimes your hair texture is between two, and so you don't really know like exactly what texture to get of the extensions that you're going to order from whatever brand you're going to order it from. But thankfully Knappy Hair has come up with a solution for us, all of us kinky, curly, loose curls, tight curl girls looking for hair extensions that will match our hair texture. They're doing the guesswork for us. They're taking care of all the guesswork for us, and I could not be more excited. Yes, I work with them, and I have been working with them for a while, but I didn't know I was getting one of these. So this is a complete surprise to me because I already know what texture I use in the hair. The kit, to begin with, the kit is $49.99. That's $50 for, you get, I think 6, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yes, for 6 sample clip-ins. That's $50 for 6 sample clip-ins. I was gonna try to do the math real fast in my head and be like, that's a value of, but you get the picture, you do the math. It's a very great deal. And so you're going to get 6 sample clip-ins, and they're all tagged and labeled with what texture they are, and you get a tape measure. And this is for, you know, if you get a unit or whatever, you can send your measurements and stuff. Like, you can be like, okay, now I know what texture I got. I need 6 inches here. And you know what I'm saying? To measure your head for a wig. They thought of it all. They thought of it all. Like, come on. Here we go. Let's go through the different textures here. So here we have, it did have a little net on it. It did come with that. Here we have the Kinky Koarse texture. You see that? This is so soft. It smells really good. Whatever they treat their hair with, I think I said that on my last video, but whatever they treat the hair with, it smells amazing. Here it is in its natural state. If your hair looks at all like this one is for you. And again, this is just one little row of clip-in. You can take your hair out, wash, They do recommend that when you are trying to do this, you wash your hair and make sure that it is dried. If you're trying to match it to your natural hair texture, you know, style it like you normally would, but, you know, leave it in its natural state for the most part. And on clean hair, you can just kind of insert this bad boy into your afro, clip that in, and be like, does this match or does it not? So this is the Kinky Coily texture. This does not match my natural hair texture, but it's really, really cute. And I'm a person that, you know, if I get enough clip-ins, girl, it don't even have to match, because I don't have to leave that much hair out when it's this curly. Like, you can just make it big. So boom, that's hair texture 1, Kinky Coily. Now we're gonna go a step down to our natural curly. That's natural with a K, of course, and curly with a K, cause duh. This is the hair texture that I normally get in my crochet hair. So it does not match my natural hair texture, but it's really pretty. I love this. It's kind of coily, and I mean, it's, you know, a little more wavy. Again, it smells delicious. And you get your little row of clip-ins, you clip it on, and you be like, this matches, or no, I don't think so. Next, moving on. Next, we have my favorites, which is the Kinky Koarse hair texture. I don't wear my hair in its completely natural, like unmanipulated state very much. So this is the one that I go with because it matches my hair perfectly when blown out. When I blow my hair out, this is exactly what my hair looks like. So I usually will I have 2 products from them in this texture. I have a set of clip-ins that are Kinky Koarse, and then I have a U-Part wig that is also Kinky Koarse, and I will link to the videos of me doing things with those in the comments section. But this is so cute. Like, again, it feels great. None of this stuff feels stiff or like hard or coarse for real. I mean, this is Kinky Koarse, but it feels healthy, like the way that my hair feels when I blow dry it out, when it's well moisturized, when it's, you know, and it's a healthy state. It don't have raggedy ends, you feel me? They thought of it all. So let's do natural Koarse. That's natural with a K, of course. Natural Koarse. This is wavier. It's going to be on the straighter side. This is going to flat iron really, really well. If your hair looks like this, blown out. To be honest, this is kind of what this is probably along the lines of what this would look like blown out. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not too far off. Like, stretched and blown out, this might look sort of like this. But it is a little bit more coarse, but it feels great. It's smooth, it's healthy, it's shining. Boom, you got your little clip in. And the next one is the Not So Nappy. That's Not So Nappy with a K. And this is like real wavy. Like, you could pretty much, you barely even have to blow this out to flat iron it. But it feels great. And if this is your natural hair texture, baby girl, this one is for you. And then finally, we have Natural Straight. That's natural with a K. Straight. Now this is straight, like you see it doesn't have any curl to it. However, it is not like silky straight. You know what I'm saying? It is smooth, it feels great, it feels healthy, but it's still textured. Like, it's the way that your hair, like a natural curly haired girl's hair would feel straight. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not, oh, here is a bundle of Malaysian Peruvian straight. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is gonna still blend with your hair if you don't have naturally straight hair. So I love this. Now again, that's all 6 things, all 6 of the little samples that come in here for $50. Like, you get all of this for $50, and for you to try out, and plus a tape measure, you get all of this for $50 for you to try out and see which one matches your hair. And that's a big deal, because a lot of times when you are ordering these kinds of things, you're hesitant because you don't want to waste your money. You don't want to order something that is not going to look good on you. So boom, $50. And then that, when you buy this, once you decide which one matches, that price is deducted from your purchase of whatever texture you actually decide to go with. So if you order a set of clip-ins, if you order a wig, that $50 that you pay for the texture match kit is gonna go towards your future purchase. Amazing. Now, on top of that, if you use code MyMatch, $49.99 will be taken off of your next purchase. You're not going to get this for free. You're not going to get the box for free by using that code, but it'll be taken off your next purchase, and that's a great deal. But again, I said this video was going to be short. I was just really happy to tell you guys about this, and I'm going to link all the videos that I have with their products down below. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys really try this out. And when you're shopping regularly, if you're not using code MyMatch, use code FROMANTIC and you get a percentage off of your sale, courtesy of me. All right, guys, thank you. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.